In this video, we will be showcasing two text-to-video AI tools, RunwayML Gen-2 and SDCN Animation Stable Diffusion extension. Let's start with RunwayML Gen-2, the text-to-video tool that everyone was waiting for. It's finally here. RunwayML Gen-2 is free to try, then you'll need to upgrade once you've ran out of your free credits. When you first sign up, you'll have 80 credits as a free user. Each second of video generation uses 5 credits. RunwayML Gen-2 generates 4-second videos. So each video will cost you 20 credits. Upgrading to standard will cost you $15 per month and you'll receive 625 credits per month. The Pro upgrade will cost you $35 and you'll get 2,250 credits per month. Let's go ahead and generate a video. Click on the Introducing Gen-2 button. Once you're here, we need to come up with a text prompt. In this video, I will keep it simple and use Elon Musk in a spacesuit. Click on the Generate button. RunwayML is pretty fast, and this generation took less than a minute to generate. Here are the results. Wait a minute, that is not Elon Musk. That looks more like Elroy Husk. Okay, all jokes aside, now that you've seen the output for RunwayML Gen-2, let's use the same prompt on SDCN Animation for Stable Diffusion. In a prior video, which you can find the link to in the description, I discussed this Stable Diffusion extension known as SDCN Animation. What's great about it is that it's completely free to use. Moreover, it provides the flexibility to create videos that exceed 4 seconds in length, should you wish to do so. Anyways, since this is a versus video, we will keep the prompt the same and the length of the video the same. We will use the default settings, which will make a 3 to 4 second video. Here are the results. Wow! That too isn't Elon Musk, it's more like Elon Morph. Anyway, AI is still growing at a rapid pace, and probably within a couple of weeks from now this versus video will be obsolete. Anyways, this generation took around 15 minutes. But hey, it's completely free. And besides, that will be based on your GPU. In case you were wondering, I have a RTX 3060 12GB VRAM GPU. So, with a better graphics card you'll get faster generations. Well, now that you have seen the two generations, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer RunwayML Gen-2 or SDCN Animation extension for Stable Diffusion. Here are some points we'd like to point out. RunwayML is free to try. It can be upgraded for a monthly fee. The video generation is limited to 4 seconds, however, it took less than a minute to produce a 4-second video. Also, it's web-based, so even if you can't run Stable Diffusion, this is an option for anyone. Next, we have SDCN Animation for Stable Diffusion. This tool is completely free to use, and you'll need a decent graphics card to be able to run it. However, you are not limited to the video length. Even with a halfway decent GPU, it took me around 15 minutes to produce a 4-second clip. What? So do you prefer Elroy Husk or do you prefer Elon Morph? Let us know in the comment section below. That brings us to the end of today's insightful journey into the world of AI. If you found this video valuable and want to stay up to date with the latest trends and breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, please hit that like button. It lets us know that you appreciate the content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll become part of a community that's at the forefront of AI discussions. And remember, by clicking the bell icon, you'll get notified whenever we upload new content, ensuring you never miss a beat in this fast-paced field. Finally, we encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from you, and your insights could spark fascinating discussions among the AI controversy community. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.